Nieve, Tigre, mommy kitty baby. Don't do it, don't. No. You gotta come down the same way you came up. Okay, good job. Oh, okay, come back. Come back. The other way. Yeah. Okay, you know how to come down. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. We practice this, remember? You just gotta go back to the trunk of the tree. Go back to the thick part that you climbed up. And then you're gonna go down that. Yes, you are. He's climbed trees before. Higher than that. Nieve, yes you have. I remember. Yeah, you don't remember you were with all the mother cats? Yeah, you did a great job. Yeah, you did. What you talking about? You know how to do it. And you did a great, go down, come down. Down. Yep. And you use those kitty claws and you're gonna come down. Don't go over that, you gotta go down. Yes. You remember how to do it. He said no. Yes. No, listen. Go back. You're right there. Just go back to the main part of the tree. Yes, you are. You're going to go back to the right there. Now put your claws in it. Oh, Nieve. The devil is a lie. Nieve, you are a skilled climber. I know you haven't done it in a while. Yeah, you're going to use your claws and you're going to climb. Yep, use your, right, like, and come down and walk it back down with your claws. Perfect, perfect. You're doing a great job. Walk it down. Woo! Got it. Good job, kitty baby. You did that before. You don't. It's been that long. You don't remember? Good God, you need to keep practicing this. It's been a long time since he's done it. Has it been probably maybe 5 or 6 months? Maybe more than that. Nieve, Tigre, mommy kitty baby. Can you look at me? Kitty baby, you did a wonderful job. Yeah, now mark it. Good job. Woo, kitty baby, mommy's so proud of you. Kitty baby. Yeah, look at the tail, look at the tail. I think you're pleased with yourself too. Huh? He's cute, huh? Yeah. I wish you would look at me on this side because it has like these little sprigs coming up and it will look like such a beautiful picture. Before he even climbed up, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna take a picture of him right there. Can you, oh. Nieve, this is like Kodak moment over here. Woo! Nieve, I'm so proud of you. You just climbed the tree right now. Woo, you got high up there, Nieve. There was a time where one of the cats was like at the base of the tree, and I swear to God, it looked like that cat was the lookout, and him and another cat was up the tree, right? Not this one. This was another area. So, anyways, They I don't know if they went to go get some eggs or something, but one was at the base, and then the two were climbing up. But the tree had branches that went up at an angle, so you could just see them going like up at an angle, both of them. It looks so majestic and cool. Nieve.